Nestled just off the legendary road to Hana, where adventure meets tranquility, lies a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Welcome to 44 Hanauana Road. So now on the top part of the property, not only do we have the luxury shed, community yurt, as well as the bathrooms, but down below, we have a living quarters with 3 beautiful yurts. Now, one of the challenging parts about owning ag land is when you want to build an actual structure to live in, it can be quite a difficult process when it comes to the permitting and with the city. Now, fortunately, the seller has already taken care of this headache. You have no headaches you have to worry about, as he has all the permits in place to build an actual structure where you and your family can live in, either on the front part of the lot and or on the backside right behind me. So if you're ready to escape to your own private oasis without sacrificing convenience, set up a private showing to see this beautiful property in person. I'm Patrick with PatrickLongleyRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.